back for another short vlog. I'm at my mother's house, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna be taking my little brother down the road to his friend's house to pick up some rabbits. I don't know why or what he's gonna do with the rabbits, but that's what I'm doing right now. And random goats walk by during the video. Yes, goats in Jamaica. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. What are you gonna do with the rabbits?
Sally.
Which one of these are we gonna eat? I want to make some fried rabbit right now. I've never eaten rabbit in my life, but I feel like eating some rabbit right now. Just sit around and eat grass all day. Life seems better being a rabbit. You want to be a rabbit, boo? Mm-hmm. You want to be a rabbit? So you raise them, but you don't eat it.
You love them too much.
You wouldn't eat it?